Children, good morning. For your grammar lesson, we are going to create a contraction with pronouns. Okay, remember that the pronouns in the English language are these words. Okay, I, you, he, she. Okay, let me write them right here. I, you, he, she, it, we. Okay, and then you is repeated again because you can be used either for singular, which are these ones right here, or for plural, which are these three words. Okay, these three final words. Okay, so these pronouns are used for plural nouns, and these pronouns are used for singular nouns. Okay, and we can also make contractions with these words. Okay, so this is what your assignment is going to be about. Your assignment is on page 356. So if you want to pause your video right now so that you can open your book to page 156, and then when you're ready, okay, you can press play again so that you can listen to what I am going to explain to you. Okay, so you can make contractions with pronouns and some helping verbs. Use an apostrophe to take the place of the letter or letters dropped. Okay, so pronouns plus helping verbs equals contraction. Okay, so let's look at the first example. I plus am equals I'm. Okay, so in this case, the apostrophe replaces the letter A, which is the one that drops when we make the contraction. Okay, they plus are, their, you plus have, you've, he plus is, his, she plus has, she's, he plus had, he'd. Okay, so these are a few examples that you can use to complete your assignment. Okay, so for 1 and 4, it says to write a contraction for the underlined words. So the words are already underlined. You plus will. Okay, so you need to make a contraction with you and will. Okay, and then write it on the line. For number 2, he and is. Oh, this looks like this example. Okay, so maybe you can just copy, okay, what he plus what is a contraction for he and is, and write it on the line. Okay, she walked the Appalachian Trail, but he said he would never do it, so he would. Okay, never do it. So what is a contraction for he plus would? All right. And then for number 4, we have. Okay, we need to use those two words to make the contraction that we need to write on the line. Okay, for number 5, 6, 7, and 8, the instructions say to rewrite each sentence to use a contraction for each pronoun and helping verb. Okay, so let's look for the pronouns. Okay, the pronouns, remember that I wrote the pronouns for you right here on the top. These are the words that we're going to look for. Okay, and the helping verb will always come after the pronoun. Okay, so let's look at number 5. What's the pronoun? What word from this list right here do you see on number 5? I am reading a book about Lewis and Clark. Oh, I. So the pronoun is I. So I'm going to underline I, and I am also underlining the helping verb, which is next to the pronoun. So I am. Okay, so I'm going to replace these two words with a contraction. Okay, I'm going to write the contraction and then I'm going to write the rest of the sentence. Don't forget to write the sentence, please. The whole sentence. Okay, because it says right here, rewrite each sentence with a contraction. Okay, so for number 6, let's find the pronoun. Thomas Jefferson knew he would be expanding U.S. territory. Oh, the pronoun is he. Okay, the helping verb is the word right next to it. He would. Okay, so we need to make a contraction with those two words and then rewrite the sentence. For number 7, he has found a map of the Louisiana Territory. What is a pronoun? He. What's the helping verb? Has. Okay, so we need to make a contraction with those two words and then rewrite the whole sentence for number 7. Okay, 8. If you would only listen to this story about the Oregon Trail, what's the pronoun? Can you find the pronoun in number 8? The pronoun is you. And the helping verb is the word that is right next to it. You would. Okay, so we need to come up with a contraction with those two words, rewrite the whole sentence, and use the contraction. Okay, don't forget to turn in your work when you finish, all right? See you on the next video.